Welcome back to another video on Vedic astrology. Today I am happy to announce the web version of Parasara Jyothish bot, and this web version is only for the trial use. The paid version of Parasara Jyothish bot will be continued to available in the Telegram. So for those who are new to Parasara Jyothish bot, Parasara Jyothish bot is the first GPT powered and the AI trained astrology chatbot. It has the capability to analyze your birth chart and provide predictions. Okay, it uses OpenAI's GPT 3.5 model. So this is the landing page of Parasara Jyothish bot. I will leave the link of this landing page in the description of this video. So here if you come, there is an release notes where you can click this release notes and check all the details about previous releases. So click on this. So here it will have all the details about the previous releases of Parasara Jyothish bot. So we have version 6.0 which was released last month. So today I am releasing the web version. So the web version can be accessed through ai.innovativeastrosolutions.com. The Telegram version of trial bot will be retiring from the 30th January 2024. Now come here, if you want to go for a free trial which has some limited features, then you need to click on this explore trial version. So let me explain. So in the free trial you cannot feed multiple date of birth. You can feed only one birth details, and you are restricted to use with test it with only 10 queries. And there are other restrictions also. There is no dasha bhakti predictions in trial bot, and you can try for a daily prediction, but it is still manual. Whereas in the paid version it will be automatically sent to your Telegram ID, and there is no weekly predictions in the trial. Okay, but apart from that you can check the compatibility chart in trial as well as in the paid version. So let me click this button to give the demo of trial version of Parasara Jyothish bot. So this is the web page of Parasara Jyothish bot trial version. So here in the home page you can see the details about this bot, and if you go here the left side menu, you can click on how to use the bot. Here you can see the flow chart. So this is the workflow of Parasara Jyothish bot. First you need to create an account with your email ID. If you already signed up, you can, when you come for a second time, you can log in with your email ID. So first time you need to sign up, and next time you need to log in. So once the login is successful, you will be you can navigate to the birth details section and provide your birth details. So once the birth details are saved, you are ready to ask the personal predictions from the artificial intelligence chatbot. Okay, and there is a query limit for the trial version. So once the query limit is reached, you cannot further ask questions with the trial version. So let me first go to the account section and create an account. So here there are two options, sign up and login. So for a first time if you are a first time user, you need to sign up with your email ID. So please give a valid email address. So invalid email address will be automatically removed from the database. So please make sure you are giving a valid email ID. So innovative Astro Solutions @gmail.com. Okay. Now you need to give a unique username. So if you click on this help button, you can see the username can be alphabet, numbers 0 to 9 and underscore. So only these characters are allowed. And its minimum length is 5 characters. Okay. So let me give Astro Innovate. Okay, let me give a username Astro Innovate, and you can check whether this username is already available. No duplicate entries are allowed. So if somebody already taken this username, then you will not be able to use this username. So first I will check whether this username is available. Okay, it says username is available and you can proceed with account creation. So now let me click on the account, create my account. Okay, so now the account is successfully created. Now you need to go to the login button. You need to click the login button and you need to log in. So for login there is no password, you need to log in with the same email ID. Okay, so this is the email ID I provided. So I go here. Okay, this is already populated here. So let me say login. Okay, now the username Astro Innovate and the email ID Innovate User Solution. So it is successfully logged in. Now go to the birth details section. So here you will need to enter your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. For this demo purpose, let me take the horoscope of Bill Gates. So he was born in 1955. Okay, so 1955, let me select. Then the month is October and 28. Okay, so the date of birth is 28th October 1955 and he was born in the night 8:58 p.m. Okay, so it should be the time of birth should be between 0 to 23 hours. So for night 8 p.m. it should be 20 hours, right? So we need to go here. Okay, so it is 20 hours and 58 minutes. So we go to here, or you can click up arrow also from the keyboard. So it is 58. Okay, place of birth is Seattle. Okay, and let me say proceed. So okay, it confirms that as per your given input, the birth details are 28th October 1955, 8:58 p.m. in Seattle, Washington, United States. Yeah, the details are right. So in case if the details are wrong, please make sure you change the date, time of birth, because in trial version you cannot update your date of birth second time. So once it is stored, it is stored. So you don't have an option to update your date of birth. So make sure these details are right, and after that you need to confirm. So there is two options. You need to select South Indian chart or North Indian chart. So let me go with the South Indian chart and I am saying confirm. So now the horoscope is generated in the database and it will show the horoscope. So now the birth details are saved and this is the horoscope of Bill Gates. So 28th October 1955, 8:55 p.m. Seattle. He was born in Gemini ascendant and Pisces moon sign, and these are the planetary placements. Now the horoscope is saved. Now you can go to the horoscope queries. So here you can enter all your like personal queries, and the artificial intelligence bot will analyze your horoscope and will reply with the answer. So let me start with I will ask bot to explain the planetary portion. Could you please explain my horoscope? Okay, and after you enter the query, please click and enter. So now it is analyzing your chart. So based on horoscope details with Gemini ascendant, you are likely to be adaptable and communicative. The placement of Mercury, the lord of first house, in the fourth house Virgo, indicates strong intellect, focus on home and family. The moon, the lord of second house, in the 10th house Pisces, suggests emotional fulfillment through career and public recognition. So it basically explains each and every planetary position in the chart and says what are the indications of that. Okay, so let me ask one more question. How will be my financial status? Okay, based on your horoscope details, it appears you have a strong emphasis on 4th, 5th and 10th house, indicating focus on home, creativity, career and authority. With Mercury, Venus, Mars in the 4th house, there may be strong connection between your home and career, possibly indicating a financial gains through property or real estate. Okay, the presence of Saturn in the 5th house suggests a disciplined approach in investment and financial plannings, which can contribute to long-term stability. So it again explains the planetary combinations and say like how the financial for this native will be. Okay, and it also ends with a disclaimer saying that it is a for a detailed and personal financial analysis, it is advisable to consult a professional astrologer. So in this section, you can ask all your personal queries pertinent to your horoscope. Now we have two more functionalities. There is an option to get the today's prediction. So this daily prediction is based on his moon sign and also his nakshatra. It will ask for the current location to calculate the planetary positions for that location. Okay, let me put his place of birth itself. So Seattle. Okay, good morning, dear user. Today's Tarabala is 4, indicating prosperity. With moon is in the 6th house from your natal moon, it suggests happiness, recovery of health, and success over enemies. It is good day for you, especially for realizing your ambition and goals. Since Tarabala is good in the morning and moon's position is favorable, it is recommended to perform important activities in the morning. So it basically gives the today's prediction based on the Tarabala and Chandrabala. Both are based on the nakshatra and birth moon's position. Okay, so here this section you can see your daily prediction. And the last functionality we have in the trial version is you can check the marriage compatibility based on the nakshatra of boy and girl. Here there is an option to select the boyish Rasi. So let me select Kataka Rashi. And for Kataka Rashi, Punarpusu, Pusha and Ailya Nakshatra. So you need to select the nakshatra. Let me select Pushya. And for girl, I am selecting Midhuna Rashi and Ardra Nakshatra, Tiruvardhana Nakshatra. So you need to click on the check compatibility. So it asks for a confirmation. So I have selected Cancer Kataka Rashi for boy with Pushya Nakshatra and for girl Midhuna Rashi with Tiruvardhana Nakshatra. So the details are correct. So let me confirm. So after you confirm, it actually calculates the quota table. So what are the quotas available with respect to the maximum points. So it shows that out of 40, 21 quotas are available, of which Dina is absent, Gana is present, Mahendra is absent, like this. You can ask for AI for the opinion, like what it thinks about the compatibility. So get AI astrologer analysis, click on this. Okay, so it basically finds the compatibility and it reads it. Based on the compatibility factors provided, the overall compatibility between the boy and girl seems to have some significant missing elements. Yes, because the lot of things are showing 0. So it says significant missing elements. The presence of Gana, Raju, Veda, and Nadi indicates some level of compatibility, but the absence of Dina, Mahendra, Sri Dirga, Yoni, Rashi and Rashi Adhipati and Vashya may lead to potential challenges in the relationship. The absence of Dina may have adverse effect on health and prosperity of couple, while the absence of Mahendra may delay in the childbirth. So basically it sees what are the things present, what are the things it absent, and for the which are the things which are the kutas that are absent, what are the consequences of those. So that also it clearly explains. So like these are all the functionalities that is available in trial version of the bot, and this about page will tell about the like the creator of this bot. Okay, so again if you go here your whichever questions you asked, it will be there. You can continue to ask your question. Okay, and if you go here, your birth details, you cannot edit it now. Okay, once the birth details is saved, you cannot edit it. Only in the paid version you can edit your birth details in number of times. And in the account section there is an option to sign out. If you want, you can sign out, and next time when you come, you don't need to create the login again. You can directly go with the login button and type innovative astro solutions at gmail.com. Click on login. So it basically takes already existing username and it logins. Okay, after that if you go here, you will again see the birth details. So that's all I have for the demo today. The Parasara Jyothish bot is capable of analyzing your birth chart and provide predictions, but please note that it is giving the prediction based on the trained data. So whenever you wanted to take some important decisions in your life, it is always recommended to consult a professional astrologer. And thank you for watching this video. Meet you again with another interesting video in Vedic astrology.